Hi there, so welcome back once again. So as you can see, it is light raining. I mean, it is drizzling right now. And you see there are so many canals over there and the canals are full of water. So it looks like very nice. Anyways, I'm here to practice my spoken English as I have got a holiday. That's why I am here to practice my spoken English. Today is Friday. That's why I have got some time and I thought that why I'm wasting my time, so why not I practice my spoken English. That's why I directly come here to practice my spoken English because spoken English basically I have taken it more serious because I want to do better on my spoken English. And there are so many speakers in Bangladesh, and I want to be one of them. And actually, I want to enlisted on the top 10 list. That's why I have taken it more serious. And if you want to improve your spoken English or if you want to learn English, then you have to take it more serious like me. Otherwise, it will be quite impossible for you to capture spoken English. Even you cannot learn English after end of the day, you cannot be able to speak English. That's why you have to take it more serious, right? If you think that when I will get time, at that time I will practice my spoken English. If you think that, or if you do this thing, I will say you cannot be able to learn English because you have taken it part-time job. So it is possible for you to learn English? No, you have to take it more serious. You have to practice every single day, or you have to manage your time to practice your spoken English. Not you will depend on when I will get time, then I will practice. No, this theory is will be very harmful for you. That's why you have to take it more serious and you have to manage your time. You have to find out the time, you have to find out the way when you will practice and where you will practice your spoken English. If you want to basically improve your spoken English, or even if you want to learn English, then you have to take it more serious. I'm saying once again, you have to take it more serious, more serious. So anyway, so as I have taken it more serious to be a good speaker in Bangladesh, that's why each and every time I do these things. Basically, I practice my spoken English. So, in this way, you can practice your spoken English. So, here I want to say one more thing. So, initially, at the beginning, when I was a beginner at that time, I cannot speak English 1 minute. So now I can speak English more than 1 minute. If I want to do speak in English more than 5 minutes, it is possible for me. But when I was a beginner, so it was very quite impossible for me. So I cannot speak English for a while, even 1 minute or 30 minutes. So in this way, gradually I am improving myself. So just I did these kinds of things. I just speak English. I just spoke English, and I try to record myself how much time I am able to speak English. Initially, I cannot speak English 1 minute, but gradually I try to improve my spoken English. I try to improve my uh, time accuracy, right? So in this way, or you can follow this technique. So first of all, you will say how much time you can speak English. After that, you will say how much time you can speak English. In this way, you will see your progress. If you do these things more consistently or continuously, you will see the progress, right? So this is the thing you can do. And one more things I want to share with you as a beginner. So you can do a lots of mistakes, so it doesn't matter. So right now I don't focus on mistakes, just I try to focus on speaking, so nothing else. It would be wrong or right or wrong, it doesn't matter. So I can make mistakes, no problem. So you don't focus on mistakes, right? Mistakes doesn't matter. So yeah, if you want to learn something, first of all you have to make a lots of mistakes. Otherwise it will be very quite impossible for us to learn something without making mistakes. That's why you have to make a lots of mistakes if you want to perfect on that things. So if I say on speaking, so at that same thing you have to do. So you have to make a lots of mistakes if you want to basically improve your spoken English. If you want to perfect on speaking, I mean, if you want to gold, first of all you have to make a lots of mistakes, and it doesn't matter. So we are not avoid mistakes. Gradually we will try to improve ourselves to correction, so you will get a lots of time. Yeah, here I want to say one more things. As a beginners you can do these things. Sorry for that. Initially you will think that I will focus on phonetics, so it will be very wrong concept. So you don't focus on your phonetics at the beginning time, right? As a beginner you have to focus on speaking, because you need to speak English first, otherwise it will be very quite impossible to learn phonetics, right? So here I want to give you an example. That is, if I want to go to Uttara, like Uttara, so at first I have to know the place where is Uttara situated, right? After that, I can go to Uttara in different ways. But first of all, I have to learn. I have to see the way how I can go to the place. Yes. So after that, I can go to Uttara in different ways. I can use different path to go to Uttara. So like spoken English, like phonetics. So first of all, you have to speak English. You have to learn English so that you can speak English. After that, you can improve your phonetics gradually, or basically you can speak English with different ways. When you will be able to learn English or able to speak English, after that you can speak English in different way, in speak English with a wonderful way. Yeah, but after the end of the day, you have to learn speaking. That's why I will say, you as a beginners, you have to focus on speaking anyway, and you have to manage your time to practice your spoken English. Not you will take it part time job, right? You will take it as a main or full time job, right? You have to take it full time job. Otherwise, you cannot speak English, even you cannot learn English. So yeah, this is the thing. So I'm speaking over the last, few minutes. So yeah, this is the thing you can do. Yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. So let's see what can I do for you the next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.